How to turn any shape into a text box in InDesign. This is really simple to do in InDesign, so let's dive right into the video. First, you're probably familiar with creating a basic text box using the type tool. To do this, select the type tool by pressing T. Then click and drag to create a rectangular text box. If you want to fill this box with simple text, right click inside it, select fill with placeholder text. And here you have it, a rectangular text box with text. But what if you want a different shape for your text box? Here's how to do that. Start by going to the rectangle frame tool in the toolbar. Click and hold to reveal more shapes, like the ellipse or polygon. Select the ellipse frame tool, then click and drag to create an oval shape. To make this shape, hold text. Switch to the type tool by pressing T. Now right click inside the shape, choose fill with placeholder text, and you will see your text displayed in an oval text box. You can also create a polygonal text box by selecting the polygon frame tool. Draw your shape, then switch to the type tool. Click inside the shape and right click to fill with placeholder text. Now you have got a custom polygon text box with placeholder text. For even more customization, use the pen tool by pressing P to draw your own unique shape. Once you have drawn the shape, select the type tool. Click inside the shape to convert it to a text box. And then right click to fill with placeholder text. Your custom shape now holds text. And here we go. Now you know how to turn any shape into a text box in InDesign. That's all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.